That we hear about all the time for humans, but rarely talk about it for our pets. Here to talk about the importance of pet blood donations is Dr. Adam Foray from University Veterinary Hospital. Good morning, Dr. Foray.
Good morning. Morning.
So as we had talked about, we hear all the time with humans, but pet blood donors. First I've ever heard about this. How common is this?
You know, it's a big topic and it's an exciting topic.
Yeah.
Because I'll tell you, just like in people, pet blood saves lives, and it does. And we use it all the time for various conditions, and it's something that we absolutely need a donor population, right, to get the blood from and use it. But it's awesome. It's really, really a neat thing.
And you said you use it all the time. Why should they donate? What are some of the things that you guys are using the blood for?
Yeah, so blood donation in a dog is similar to a person, a little bit, let's say that. So it's all about blood types, and dogs have different types of blood types, just like people have different types of blood types, and it really doesn't matter if it's Chihuahua blood versus Labrador blood. What matters is the blood type, and the blood type in a dog, just like a person, it's the proteins on the outside of the red blood cells. So you want to make sure that when you give the blood, the body can use it and the body doesn't try to attack it, and that's the gist of that. But there is a universal donor in dogs, just like in people, and it's called DEA negative blood in dogs, and DEA negative blood in dogs is a universal donor. And what we're looking for are dogs that are younger dogs, that are over 50 pounds, and that are healthy. And there's a screening process to make sure that the blood is clean and that it can be used.
And you guys actually have the only community blood bank in the area, so there is a dependence on this. Is there any blood type that you guys are really looking for right now?
It's the universal donor that we're looking for. And so there's a screening process for this, and it's a really easy, quick little test that most veterinarians can perform, and to know your dog's blood type and or cat. We'll say cat as well too, because that's also very important. But with this test, one, it's important to know, so if you're in an emergency situation, you know what your dog's blood type is, and so you can help speed that process up. And two, if your dog qualifies, your dog can save other dogs' lives. Your cat can save other cats' lives. And
for humans, we know how long we can donate or how many times. For pets, how often can they donate?
It's about 4 or 5 times a year. Yeah, so quarterly, every 3 months is a good kind of level for how often should we donate.
And for the blood, how long can you keep it in the blood bank? I know there's 2 different types you talked about before. You have the red blood cells and the platelets. How long do they last?
So depending on the situation, we'll use blood in a couple of different ways. So you can take blood directly out of an animal if it's a screened animal, and if it's appropriate, put the whole blood into another animal. That's one type. What we do a lot of times, though, is we get the most out of the blood that we can. And so we divide the blood into its types. So we split it out into what's called packed red blood cells, which red blood cells are energy and oxygen. And so these are treating anemic patients. And then the plasma. And plasma is a really cool product that we use for multiple different medical situations. But the nice thing about plasma is that it can be stored for a couple of years even.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
This is definitely, as you said, a very interesting topic, and a topic we can definitely talk about for a while. So we're going to have and continue the conversation on our website. So find all the information there on arclatechhomepage.com. Dr. Foray, thank you so much for stopping by.
You bet. My pleasure.
Yeah, we want you to stick around because up next,